Namaste. What if holding on to anger is actually making you sick? Research has shown unforgiveness raises blood pressure, stress, and weakens your immune system. Today, I will reveal how forgiveness heals your body and your spirit, plus one practice you can try right now. Most of us carry old wounds, people who have hurt us in the past, events we replay in our minds. Every time we hold on to that resentment, our body produces stress hormones like cortisol. Over time, this creates fatigue, poor sleep, even chronic illnesses. Spiritually, these imprints get trapped in the body, keeping us stuck in cycles of pain. Now, studies show forgiveness lowers stress, improves sleep, even helps heart health. When we forgive, we clear blockages in our chakras and raise our vibration. So here's a practice that you can do very quickly. Close your eyes and think of someone or an event that caused you pain. Then take a deep breath and on your exhale, silently say, I release you. I ask for forgiveness. I forgive you. I free myself. Then imagine a warm light flowing through you, carrying away the hurt. Notice how even a few seconds of this can feel lighter. This is just one step of the bigger forgiveness journey. If you felt a shift, type I choose forgiveness in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more powerful tools combining science and spirituality. Like and share this video so you're helping others to rise. And if you're ready to release deep energetic imprints and heal fully, reach out. I'd love to guide you. Sending you healing energy and peace. Namaste.